enjoy our first annual Potato Day, everybody.
Delicious.
Attention everyone, may I introduce Honey, who will mark Potato Day with a special song.
Go on, Honey.
Here we go. Go on, Honey.
Oh, fantastic.
Awesome.
Hooray!
Yeah, go on.
Yes, Honey.
Come on, honey. You can do it. Okay. You can slice it, you can dice it, you can give it a roast. With beans and cheese, it's how I like it the most.
Wonderful.
Oh, I love the potato when I'm happy to explain.
She is smashing it, Izzy.
No, she's mashing it. I owe it all to my friends, Izzy